Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. Dear students, I am going to discuss one doubt of a student. This question I have tried many a times but every time I find that whenever I explain a new explanation is definitely developing. So nobody is perfect, physics is a wonderful subject. Well, nobody is perfect, so I am also not perfect. Here we go with it. I think there is some focus issue. Let me focus it first. Yes, now it's okay, fine. See, students, there is a question. Many a times I have solved this question. Many a times this question, whenever I solve, I always find a new explanation coming up. This question is very common question. Like it is connected like this, right? And this is A, this is B. What is RAB, equivalent resistance? The students generally answer just when they look at this, when they just look at this, they say, sir, it is 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3. Students instantaneously say, this is the answer. One of the students asked me, sir, how it is like this? Well, students, to understand this, we do one thing. We imagine a battery. This is connected to the positive terminal, this is VA. This is connected to the negative terminal, obviously this is minus VB. Now this is VA, the potential of this wire will also be VA and this will also be VA. This is VB minus, so potential will be VB and VB. Because this all will be at the same potential VA. This is VA, 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 VA. This is VB and this is VB. Now take R1. R1, VA, here it is, VB. Take R2. When you take R2, so this is VB and that is VA. And when you take R3, this is VA and that is VB. So you will find all are at the same potential. When all are at the same potential, they are in parallel. Simple it is. So मतलब कई बार क्या होता है कि इसको देख के ही एकदम से चलो कमेंट में लिखना कि कितने लोग कहते हैं इसको देखा और 1 upon R1, R2, R3 लिख दिया, बट नहीं है यार, ये एक्सप्लेनेशन ये बनती है. I have established that how they are at same potential, then how they are in parallel. Thank you very very much. Okay. अच्छा, एक स्टूडेंट बोलता सर कि अगर यहाँ भी रेजिस्टेंस हो तो और सिंपल हो गया यार, ये व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज बन जाएगा, राइट? ट्राई करना, ना आया तो मुझसे पूछना. फिर इसको हम R4 एंड इसको R5 लगा देते हैं, तो ये देखो ना, ये कॉमन निकल आएगा, ये P/Q = R/S. चलो करना ट्राई, ठीक है? थैंक यू.